In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track activity history in Smartsheet, Audit Log 2026. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your home screen. If not, go ahead and sign in using your usual method, email and password, single sign-on, or Google or Microsoft. Then you're in. That's all there is to it. Once you land on home, you'll see your main hub. Depending on your setup, you might see sections like Recents, Favorites, and a list of workspaces. You can use Suggested or All Workspaces to quickly locate where your sheets live. The idea is simple. Pick the place where the sheet you care about is stored. Click into a workspace to open it, then select the specific sheet you want to audit. This could be a project tracker, a request log, or any grid you collaborate on. A quick tip here. Your access level determines what you can see in the activity history. So if something looks limited, you may need additional permissions from the sheet owner. With the sheet open, look to the right-hand sidebar for the activity option. It's alongside other panel tools like conversations and attachments. Click Activity to open the log for the sheet. This panel is your timeline of changes, showing events in reverse chronological order. You'll see exactly who did what and when, row additions, cell edits, comments, attachments, even sharing or permission updates, all time-stamped for clarity. Take a moment to scan the entries. Each line tells a story, the user, the action, and the time. Expand any entry to view more detail. Often you'll see before and after values for edits, which is incredibly useful for tracing how a number or status changed. If you're validating a specific update, scroll to the relevant time window and look for matching keywords or column names. Many views also let you narrow what you're seeing, so focus on the changes that matter most, like edits or deletions. If you're troubleshooting, follow the timeline until you find the first edit that shifted a critical value. Note the timestamp and user, and cross-reference with your team's workflow. If you're auditing for compliance, capture the relevant entries as evidence by keeping the panel open while you document the change elsewhere. A quick heads up, if you don't see the activity option, it can be due to your plan or your role on the sheet. In that case, check with your admin or the sheet owner. And that's it. You've gone from the Smartsheet homepage to a precise, readable history of changes, all in a few clicks.